Lane is taking a dual credit course with Eastern Kentucky University over the flight of unmanned aircrafts. And his course doesn't start for a few more days, so I thought we'd get some training on learning the basics of flying a drone.
My name is Lane Bartley. I'm a junior, and I'm taking the dual credit aviation course with EKU about flying unmanned aircraft systems.
So he's flown two different drones so far. We have a little Tello drone that is about a $200 drone, so he got to experience it, fly it with his phone, and then after getting some experience, we let him fly this one, which is about a $2,000 drone. So we're going to do baby steps and learn just basics, fly up, fly down, move it around, learn to capture different video and pictures before we go into more advanced stuff.
It's a lot more complicated than those little Tello drones that you fly off the phones. It's a lot bigger. The controls are a bit more responsive. It's a bit more precise. You can control the camera movement. That's nice. Those are the major points.
It's fascinating to be able to have this kind of technology, but if you look at the students when they fly them, they're just so excited. It's really fun, and it's something that not every student gets to do. So it gives us a little bit of pride knowing that we offer students things that they can't get elsewhere.